Real hot girl shit. Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too. And that's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm QuoiaLen. If you're new here and if you're returning, like I already said, welcome back. So I have a graduation to go to today, and yeah, I decided to come on here and do a get ready with me for you guys because I haven't actually done one in a very long time, and they're like the most easiest. Did I just say most easiest? Wow, college degree for what? They're one of the easiest videos to put out because all I'm doing is getting on here talking to y'all and doing makeup. But yeah, and don't worry, my skin is not oily. I literally just did my whole skincare routine. Y'all see my skin? This is looking better and better every freaking day, honey. But yeah, I'm not oily. I just want to let y'all know, yeah girl, I'm not oily, not yet anyway. But yeah, if you want to see me go from this to this, just keep on watching. Okay, so I just had a whole conversation with myself because I don't think I was recording, bro. What the fuck? Ugh, struggles of a friggin' YouTuber, bro. Like, for real, for real. And since that's the case, I'm gonna go finish my brows off camera. I think I decided to use my Queen of Hearts palette, so I'm gonna just go straight in. I have no idea what I'm doing yet. I'm just gonna do some shit. And hopefully it comes out right, you know? That's pretty much how I do all of my makeup looks. I tell my friends that, and they don't be believing me, because I just be making up stuff. Okay, so I've actually just changed my mind about what palette I'm going to use. So it's going to be one color from the Zulu palette, and it's going to end up being this brown one right here. And but I'm going to focus more so on the Warrior palette because my name is Quoia and I can't make up my mind. I did go in with the brown from the Queen of Hearts palette, and it was this one right here. It's mostly just a transition color, so it's not that big of a deal. But now I'm just gonna go into this one. It's a little bit deeper than that one. Well, more warm anyway than the one from the Queen of Hearts palette, and just throw that in the crease. This is gonna be super brown, so the only thing, like the only problem that I have with the Juvia's Place palettes is that they don't come with the mirror. If they come with the mirror, then they will be okay in my book. I mean, they are already great. They just need a mirror. That's all I was saying. Okay, so I brought y'all in closer. Also, where's my brush? I can't ever find this brush. Yeah, whatever. This isn't the brush I was looking for, but now I'm just gonna go into this brown right here and deepen up my crease and everything. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my crease. Y'all, I be holding my breath for this, and when I what's it called? Do my eyeliner. Thought I wasn't gonna cut my crease, but things change. And this probably looks like the shirt I had on in my last video, but that one was Harry Potter, but this one is MSU, gang gang, Hell State and all that jazz. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and continue on with this eyeshadow on this eye, and I'll just do the rest of my eye off camera because it takes time. Now I'm just gonna go into this one. I'm not gonna take that much brown, but it's barely anything on here because when I say this thing is pigmented, it's pigmented. Okay, so for my lid color, going back into the Warrior palette, I'm gonna take this color right here, the bottom, well, my right, y'all's left. This is gonna be, it's called Dahomey IDK, but it's this one right here. And like I said, it's just gonna be my lid color. And on another flat brush, I'm also gonna take this color in the middle, Morimi, and put that over top, just to give the color more dimension. Now I'm just putting on some eyeliner. Hopefully I don't mess it up. I hate when I mess up my eyeliner, bro. Okay, so for lashes, I'm going to be taking these Allure lashes in the style Opal. And y'all remember when I didn't wear lashes like at all? Like at all. And now I'm always wearing lashes. Like I don't think I have done a makeup look on my channel without lashes yet. I guess once you go lash, you don't go back. So I'm just gonna apply this glue and some mascara while my lashes are drying, and then I'll come back and do my face on camera. I never knew it or really noticed it before, but lashes do really make a difference. No lash, lash. No lash, I'm cute. Lash, I'm that bitch. You know what I'm saying? Cute, that bitch. I'm cute, but that bitch. Okay, so that is done. I'm gonna go ahead with my Fenty. I haven't used this in a long time since I've been hooked to my Too Faced, but oh, my face is already primed, by the way. If you can't tell, I'm a little ashy in some spots, and that's the primer. I haven't used Fenty in so long. Like, I've been neglecting her. But I know better. Y'all, I'm so freaking excited for Juvia's freaking foundations and concealers. I'm pretty sure they said it was foundations and concealers. I'm so excited. I'm gonna try to buy it the day of so I can hurry up and put a video out for you guys. Cause you know, PR boxes are for the big people. And I ain't there yet. But yeah, I mean, I would have bought, I hope it comes to Ulta, that way people can swatch it in store and really find their foundation match. Pretty sure they said it was, but I'm not 100% sure. So yeah, I'm gonna buy mine Monday. As of right now, it's not in Ulta and it won't be as of now. Now, if we get a reset soon in the next few weeks, then I'll let you guys know. But as of right now, it's not in Ulta because, as y'all know, I work there and we haven't gotten word on anything changing. So we'll see. My manager hasn't told me anything, but I hope it does come. And I know select Ulta stores, like they like to do, but all of them. Dang, I forgot how much I loved Fenty. Like, ugh, I'm so fake. I'm a little ashy in this area right here on my nose. Oh, I'm also excited that Melt Cosmetics is coming to Sephora. Like, I wanted that Smoke Sessions palette so bad. I mean, for 2 reasons. I like that ganja, and number 2 is like an all green palette, and I mean, I just need it in my collection. I've never tried their shadows. Like, their stacks is what put them on the map, and I never tried any, but I've always heard good things. Come on, Fenty with the flawless face. And y'all, don't drag me, but I haven't bought Fenty bronzers or the concealers yet. I don't know why. It's expensive. Shit. And I'm cheap. Like, I like my cheap stuff. It took me almost 6 months to buy the Fenty foundation. And now I haven't bought the concealers. I didn't buy the bronzers. I want those pout lipsticks that she got because they're limited edition. Like, it's a lot of stuff that I gotta get from Fenty. Maybe I should just do a Fenty haul now that we can like haul all their stuff now. But that's gonna be a lot of money. That's a lot of money. I need a sugar daddy who don't want no sugar so he can fund my habit, okay? What a man that like feet pics. I'll send you some feet pics. Oh, funny story. There was this creeper on my Snapchat wanting me to send him my feet pics, but at the time your girl fumbled the bag because I was kind of scared. Not gonna lie, he had all these requirements for me to send him some damn feet pictures. The fuck? Now I'm just taking my Too Faced concealer. But like I was saying, I fumbled the bag because I was scared. Like, he was gonna track down my location, do that Snapchat conversation. I was on some real like movie stuff. And my friend, she was just hyping me up to do it. I'm glad. I'm glad I didn't do it. Honestly, cause who knows where I would be today? Not filming this video probably, but that's for sure. But for real, I really am glad I didn't do it, y'all. Like, y'all don't be falling into that stuff, cause you never know how they can find you through like stuff like that. So, and if you are out here doing that type of stuff, sending your feet pics, hell, even if you got a premium Snapchat or any of that, just be careful, y'all. I ain't finna knock nobody hustle or what they into. But and now I'm trying to hurry up because I gotta go film the takedown process from this twist out for y'all. Y'all, who knew filming multiple videos like this would be a lot? Like, I'm never doing that again. I'll just make them into whole videos and not split them up the way I did. But it's a learning lesson. That's how much I like y'all. I don't know why I be doing this to my forehead. Like, I don't already have a big ass forehead. It's honestly just habit, and I don't know how to break that habit. Cause this. I've been doing it for so long. Sis, let's get into it. Like, this is a beat. I haven't been this beat. Y'all, I can't remember the last time I did my makeup. Oh, I remember it was Cinco de Mayo. And today is May 18th, I think. Yeah, May 18th. So that was 13 days ago. Tripping. I'm just gonna take my Pretty Vulgar setting powder and set under my eye. Well, everywhere that I put concealer. I'm gonna be looking like a crackhead by the time I finish this. If you're not looking like a crackhead, then are you really baking? Like, are you really? I don't think you are. So, go try again. Okay, told you, look like a crackhead, but it's all good. Now this is truly how I get ready because I'm always running out of time. Like, I'm always running out of time when I try to like film and go somewhere in the same day. Because in my head, that's smart, you know? I'm finna do my makeup anyway, so I might as well make a video out of it type thing. But I don't be allocating enough time. And then you get me doing this. Rushing. Just gotta highlight my face. I did a bunch of stuff off camera to save some time, so if you're wondering while I'm mostly done, that is why. Ooh, Okay, y'all, so I did a bunch of stuff off camera, not gonna lie, but it was just to get ready with me, so that's why I didn't care about being too detailed with you guys. I couldn't find my Ofra lipstick. Y'all know the one I use in all my videos. I can't find it, so I just put on some Fenty gloss bomb until I can find it, and I'll end up changing my lip later. But yeah, you guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed the video and enjoyed this get ready with me. I know I was kind of in and out and some stuff, but y'all, I gotta go. My camera finna die. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. I got more videos coming, so if you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it. That way you can be notified every single time that your girl make an upload. And yeah, if you're not following me on the gram, go follow me on there. It's at QuoiaLen, just like my YouTube channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.